A permanent vigilance of the horizon, the lighthouse illuminates our port, leading fishermen and visitors safely to shore. Located at the southern tip of the city on a hill called Cerro del Creston, it's said to be the second highest lighthouse built on a natural setting after the Gibraltar Lighthouse in Spain. This hill used to be an island and was joined to the mainland by a pier. It began as a maritime point in 1828, but not until the end of the 19th century, 1892 to be exact, did the construction of the lighthouse begin at the top of the hill. Its tower is 23 foot high, with a dwelling of a Porphyrian-era architectural style, in keeping with its time for the lighthouse keeper. In 1930, its current lighting system was installed based on electric filaments, and its power was increased through magnifying glass panels, bringing its power equivalent to 600,000 candle lights with a range of 33 nautical miles and an altitude of 187 feet above sea level. To all this interesting information, we'd like to add that climbing up the lighthouse is a fun family outing experience. Everyone from grandmothers to infants. It's also a sports challenge due to several trails with different slopes, either to hike, run, ride your bicycle, climb, or fish at the hill's outskirts. Share a moment with nature from the height of this hill, and take in the panoramic blueprint of the city with an unparalleled view of the ocean.